In this video, I show you how to fix lag in Roblox Mobile and solve Blox Fruits lagging issues. Start by going to the top corner and tap on the Roblox icon. Switch to the Settings tab, then scroll down and find the Graphics Mode option. Set the Graphics Mode to Automatic, then check if Roblox is still lagging. If it is, then set the Graphics Mode to Manual. Then set the graphics quality to 3 bars. In most cases, this will work fine. However, you can also try using 2 or 1 bar if you're still having issues. You can also try setting haptics to off and reduce motion to on. If Roblox is still lagging, then you can try switching servers to lower your ping. In Blox Fruits, head to the top and tap on the Servers button. Head down and select the Filter by Region box. Then search for your state or country. If no servers are available, then try for a nearby state or country and tap the Join button to join the server. If your Roblox lag is because of a ping issue, then this can help solve the issue. Alternatively, leave the game, then click the play button, and Roblox should try to place you into a server with the best connection for you. Test Roblox. If you are still having lag issues, then close the game. Open the Settings menu, then go to your Wi-Fi settings. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and that you're connected to it, then test Roblox again. If you're already connected to your Wi-Fi or the issue isn't fixed, then look at the other networks available to you. In some instances, you may have 2 versions of your Wi-Fi, a 2.4G option and a 5G option. The Wi-Fi names will be the same except one will say 2.4G and the other will say 5G. If you do have 2 versions of your Wi-Fi, then you can try using the other version. When you're far away from your modem or router, the 2.4G option will typically be better. However, if you're close to your modem or router, then the 5G option will give you a better connection. Next, go back to your settings and turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few moments, then turn airplane mode back off. Test Roblox. If Roblox is still lagging, then find and open the battery options. Turn off low power mode if it is enabled. Then test Roblox to see if the lag is fixed. Alternatively, if your battery is low, then make sure to charge your device. If you have other applications open in the background, then be sure to close them. When I do this, I also close Roblox and reopen the application once everything has closed. Next, select the game that you want to play, then tap the Social button and choose the Join Friends or Join Connections option. If you have access to a private server, then join it and try playing in the private server. Alternatively, scroll down to the other server's heading, then set the number of players to Ascending. Join a server with 1 or 2 players. Playing in a private server or a server with less players can fix lag and other performance issues. Another option is to turn your mobile or iPad off, then back on. You now know how to fix lag in Blox Fruits and Roblox Mobile. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.